Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the Panasonic FZ80 or FZ82. It's pretty much the same camera, and how to set the aspect ratio of this camera. So somebody has been asking me to do a video about that, and yeah, I'll do what you need. So I'm here, to do that. So here, this is what you see. If you don't see this screen, you can switch here with this live thing here between the picture inside this viewer here, and we can switch back to the large screen with this button here, LVF. So when we have it here, we go to the menu here in the center of this thing here. So we click on the menu, and now we have to click on the left side of this wheel here. So left side, make sure that you are on the full left side. I mean, you can click as much as you want to the left side. There's no more than just on the left side. Of course, you can also use the touch screen. It has a nice touch screen, but I'm going to show you that here with this wheel. Then you have to go up till we see this rec menu here. Unfortunately, it's a little bit difficult to see, but it's actually red here. So we are then in the rec menu, and now we have to click on the right side again to leave this selection here and be in this selection here, where we have 7 pages. And in these 7 pages, it's in page 1 out of 7, and it's the third thing. Hope you can see that. It's a little bit difficult to see. Now it's highlighted in yellow, but it's almost impossible to see in this camera. I'll move it up, you can see it better here. It's here, aspect ratio. So when we are in the aspect ratio, you enter here, and now we have like a 4:3, 3:2, 16:9, and 1:1, and we just confirm, of course, whatever we want to have. I mean, usually I'm going with the 16:9. That's the most famous thing. I mean, I think that's the thing which most people are using these days. Of course, you can also do, again, you can do everything here on the screen. No problem with that as well. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.